Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to win Castle Battle in KingShot. In KingShot, the Castle Battle is a major alliance event that happens every 2 weeks and lasts for 6 hours. To win, your alliance must either hold the castle for 3 continuous hours or maintain the longest total hold time throughout the event. Even if you don't win, participation still grants great rewards like charms, points, and prestige. To secure victory, communication is key. Coordinate with active members through chat or voice to time rallies precisely. Use a double rally strategy, first an attack rally to weaken defenders, then a garrison rally to capture the castle. Assign heroes wisely. Offense for the first wave, defense for the second. Keep reinforcing the castle once captured. Refuel troops and manage your turrets for sustained defense. Don't forget city buffs, healing, and timing, because one delayed rally can flip the outcome. And if victory seems out of reach, focus on earning points through damage and defense. Play smart, stay coordinated, and your alliance might just claim the throne in KingShot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.